It is Friday, March the 10th. And a beautiful, beautiful sunrise so far. Let's go open these animals and see what's cracking. Hi, Mama. Good morning. Good morning, Traggle Traggle. Good morning, Mama. Oh, hello, Cotton Kitty boy. Hello, mister. This is not our cat. For the record, he is just a friendly boy who comes around. Hello. Are you eating breakfast? You're gonna scramble out of here when I come in, aren't you? Don't worry. You're good. Bye, mister. Do you eat all your grub? Huh? Do you eat all your grub? Good morning, girls. You thirsty? Good morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning, you too, chickens. Come on, you crazies. Good morning. Feast. Okay. It's y'all's turn. Fear not. Good morning. Good morning, Butters. How are you? Can you even see me in there? Hey, Nutty Boy, you sharpening for battle? You sharpening for battle? Come here. Come here, you crazy man. Yeah. I want to get that fluff off your horn for you. No? I can't get it? You're not gonna let me? You get your fluff. Thank you. You get your fluffs. Fine. Keep them. Keep them. Keep your wool balls. See if I care. Not bad for early March. Really pretty out. Yeah. Good job, ladies. Changed your water and whatnot off camera. Much easier to do. Come here. Aw, Zini Man. Come here. Come here, Zini Minnie. No trust. You don't want no scritchings. You're not itchy. Come here. Come here. Sweet dough. Yeah. I like your little mustache. Tiny little mustache hairs growing in. Oh, yes, what a distinguished lady. Okay, bye. Be good, make good choices. You. Just itchy. You an itchy boy? Come here. Come here, itchy boy. I'll get you. I'll scratch you. And you scratch it. Oh, yeah, that's the spot. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, I know. Don't eat my coat, though. I need that. I need that to scratch you. Whoa, jerk alert. Bro. I'm scritching you, and this is how you're going to treat me? Scritch yourself, then. Bye, Butters. Hello, kitty kitty. Hello, kitty kitty. Are you the star of the show? Where's Olga? I haven't seen the orange one this morning. Is she under the house? Huh? Is she under the house? Checking for Mises. Good job, ladies. 11 eggs yesterday. Keep up the good work.